Hey, what is up, awesome people? I hope you're having an awesome week so far. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Joshua Partugi. I'm a professional Scrum trainer based in Brisbane, Australia. Welcome on board to our community of passionate changemakers. In today's video, we are going to learn about the product backlog, one of the elements in Scrum. More specifically, we are going to learn about what's inside the product backlog, because I found there are some misunderstandings about the product backlog in the community. If you want to improve your Scrum effectiveness at your workplace, stay tuned on this video, folks. As written on Scrum Guide, the product goal is in the product backlog. Check out my video about the product goal by clicking the link up here if you haven't already watched that video. To achieve the product goal, the product backlog contains but not limited to product functionalities, both the ones that are tangible and visible by the consumer, and also the ones that are not visible by the consumer, such as security, scalability, usability, reliability, etc. The architecture of the product is also in the product backlog. Scrum is a goal-driven framework. All of the activities to achieve the product goal, such as customer interview, creating experiments, marketing activities, are also in the product backlog. If the product is in a regulated industry, all of the activities related to complying to government regulation are also in the product backlog. Because Scrum is an iterative approach for developing products, when the product is being continuously released and used by the consumers, the product backlog will also contain consumer feedback, defects, technical improvements, learning, and even technical debts. As long as the product is being used by the consumers, the product backlog will be continuously filled up. You can say that the product backlog is a living artifact. If I use the product goal statement as you have seen on the product goal video, here is a sample of a product backlog that is derived from the product goal. To achieve the product goal, the product backlog contains many product backlog items. Feel free to pause this video to look at the product backlog items shown on the screen right now. As you can see on the screen, we can visualize the product backlog and the sprint backlog on one single Kanban board. Just in case you're wondering, the Kanban tool you're seeing right now is called Kanbanize. If you would like to try out Kanbanize in your own Scrum team, visit the referral link shown on the screen right now. As a disclaimer, I will get a commission when you subscribe to Kanbanize from that link. Every single support from you to this channel is much appreciated. On this Kanban board, what we refer to as the product backlog are all of these items from options to refined columns. In short, any items that are not being processed by the Scrum developers in the sprint is called the product backlog, while the ones that are being processed by the Scrum developers in the sprint are called the sprint backlog. The product backlog items can be expressed in many different ways. As Scrum is only a framework, it does not prescribe the techniques to express the product backlog item. One of the ways to describe the product backlog item is the user story. The product backlog item can also be described as use cases. Some Scrum teams I have worked with prefer to express the product backlog items as hypotheses. I have already made a video about how to express the product backlog item as hypotheses. If you haven't watched that video, go click the link up here to watch the video. Some Scrum teams also prefer to express their product backlog items visually using wireframes rather than with text. In Scrum, that is fine also. As Scrum is only a framework, it is left up to the Scrum team to choose the best techniques to express the product backlog item. Scrum just requires the product backlog to be available, accessible, and visible to everyone in the company. The product backlog is often misunderstood as a fixed requirement, especially by people coming from project management background. The words we use affect the behavior of people at our workplace. Because Scrum is an empirical approach for developing products, the product backlog is actually a placeholder for future conversation, which means any product backlog items that have not yet been processed by the developers can be changed, swapped, or even removed. Therefore, unlike in Waterfall, not every single product backlog item is refined to a fine-grained level. That is all for today, folks. To learn more about the product backlog, you can click the thumbnail here. And as the product backlog is one of the inputs for sprint planning, don't forget to click the thumbnail down there also to learn more about how to do sprint planning with Kanban. Thanks for watching today's video, folks. See you until my next video. Until then, stay safe and stay awesome.